Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today is a different location. I am actually to my mom's house, and today collection is actually from Burlington. I am super excited because why? I get to do this with my little sister. We decided to actually get some stuff that we match in a little, not too much. So guys, Burlington is like a good source of place to shop, and also they have like brand like Kevin Klein. How's it, Kevin Klein? I think I'm like, this is technically original price right. It was 49 bucks, but I think the sale is going on, so it's a little cheaper. So if you guys want to hop onto it and go and shop, it's definitely good. So let's talk in. Chris, Asad, are you ready? Nah. So you guys get to choose who outfit look the best, okay? Because I think I nail it. All right. all that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video. Me and my sister shopping, trying on our clothing. I mean, not our clothing, but from Burlington clothing. So that's all we have. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please follow her on her TikTok.
Okay.
And please, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Wait, which is Saturday? Tuesday.
Bye.
No, it's like